understanding values and learning how to create darks, mediums, and lights with watercolor is really understanding the whole language of watercolor. This video is part of a series that I have been releasing over the last few weeks, so be sure to look at the description below, and if you want to start at the beginning, the videos are all listed in order just to make things nice and easy for you. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to comment, to like. That really helps to support me and allows me to continue creating this free content for you right here on my art channel. We can create tints using just water and without having to add white paint. So if I start with this darker value, I can even charge this brush stroke by adding pure pigment right from my palette. So I'm dipping my brush right into this deposited paint, and I'm just going to charge up, meaning deposit more pigment into that wet stroke. I'm going to create another stroke that's a little bit lighter, and then slowly, by adding more water either to the pool or just inside the brush, I'm going to move from dark to light. So keep adding a little bit of water on my brush each time, and a little bit more. Now this does work better with natural hair brushes, but if you don't have a natural hair brush, you can certainly use a synthetic brush. And this is what happens when we add more and more water until it just becomes the lightest tint. So you can see we've got a full range of values, and that's as heavy or as dark as you'd ever want to go in watercolor. By adding a tiny bit of water, bit by bit, we can make our way to just a hint of color. So this value scale has 8 swatches in it, but you can try something with a little bit less. If you are a beginner, you may want to aim for just 6. But your goal is to move from dark to medium to light, and to make sure that you've covered all of the nuances in between.